Alright guys, so substitute today. You guys know the drill how this works now. So we're going to be going over a couple of different things in class today, mostly working on fundamental skills and improving our chops and things that kind of fell by the wayside probably when we had our 2-week break. Couple of things I want to make clear. Nobody should be in the practice rooms at all today. We need to make sure that everybody is on task, doing what they're supposed to be doing. Everyone should be playing along with this video at all times. If for any reason that is not the case, expect consequences. Secondly, Mr. Jameson's going to be checking in on you guys around 10 a.m. So please make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to be doing there. Okay, so in your blue books, we're going to go ahead and start with long tone 1A, just like we always do. So here we go from the beginning, long tone 1A, and 1, and 2, and 1, take 2, take, ready. Long tone 1B, 2, ready, go. Okay, B flat scale is written. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and ready. And off. Okay, make sure that as we're doing this, as always, we're lifting on the 8th notes, and then make sure that we're not playing the 2nd octave. 1 and 2, same thing, and off. Okay, I want you guys to look at a new section of the book. Yesterday we were looking at the warm-up sets and going over that stuff. So warm-up set 1 for the trombones and all those people, or for all the brass. I'm looking at your book right here in the trombone section. It's all lip slurs. 1, 2, and 3 are all lip slurs. They're all the exact same thing. For the woodwind players, though, as this goes on, it gets more and more complex. So I want you guys to check out something later in the book, and then we're going to come back to this and we're going to put it together. The first thing that we're going to be looking at is your chromatic scale, which, if you give me a second, it's weird going through this on a computer and not being able to flip pages. The chromatic scale page, or the chromatic scale that you need to look at, is on page 43. So if you look at 43, you have the F chromatic scale and the B flat chromatic scale. Both of these are going to help you with the exercise that we have. So if you start with the B flat chromatic scale, this is going to take you through every single note that you have on your instrument. If you are unfamiliar with any of these pitches, you need to take about a minute right now, look in the back of the book, or ask your neighbor how this is going to go. And I'm going to stop the video there and give you guys a moment to go over that, and when you're ready, move on to the next video.